If you're building any kind of business online, then the one thing you absolutely need to do is capture new leads and subscribers. But you already know that. You know you need a list, and you know the more effective your landing pages are, the more people you'll put on that list. And while knowing that is good news, doing it is way, way better. Because doing it makes the difference between mediocre, average results versus bigger profits, better brand recognition, and more authority in your marketplace. You want all these things, right? But if you've built landing pages before, then you already know the problems, and you're probably sick of hearing about how you should be building a list. First off, it takes time to create great-looking pages, then even more time to tweak and test them to make sure they convert well, and to get the maximum number of leads and opt-ins. And if you're building multiple lists, it can simply become too much hassle and work. Look, it's also really expensive. You can spend a fortune hiring designers or coders to create just one page for you, or you can pay over the odds with recurring fees for a service that's hard to use or overly restrictive. If right now it feels like you're just waiting for $19.99 to call and ask you to send back their lead page, if your unsubscribe rate is higher than your opt-in rate, or if you're fed up with paying excessive fees and getting bogged down in technical, time-stealing hassles, we have great news. Because now there's a super easy way to get great-looking, high-converting landing pages with just a couple clicks of your mouse.